This psychological trick can make anyone obey you, without them even realizing it. And the last one, it's the most dangerous, because it feels like love. Every single day, people are influencing you. Your boss, your friends, brands, even strangers online. And most of the time, you don't even notice it happening. These aren't random actions, they're psychological tricks, carefully used to guide your decisions, your emotions, and sometimes your entire life. Today I'll show you 7 powerful psychological tricks people use to control you, so you can spot them before they control you. Trick number 1, the foot in the door technique. It always starts small. Can you do me a quick favor? That harmless little request? It's not harmless, it's step 1. Once you say yes to something small, your brain wants to stay consistent, so when a bigger request comes, you're more likely to agree again. Example, a coworker asks you to review one small file. Easy, you say yes. Next day, they ask you to handle an entire project, and suddenly, you're doing their job. Trick number 2, social proof pressure. Humans hate being the odd one out, so when you hear everyone is doing it, your brain relaxes and follows. This is why long lines attract more people, why viral trends explode, why you buy things you didn't even need. Example, you're unsure about a product, then you see 10,000 plus people bought this. Suddenly, your doubt disappears, because if everyone else trusts it, it must be safe, right? Trick number 3, the guilt trap. This one feels emotional, heavy, personal. Someone reminds you of everything they've done for you, not out of love, but to make you feel obliged. I helped you when you needed it, and now you can't do this one thing for me? Now, you're not deciding freely, you're reacting to guilt. Example, a friend pressures you into something you're uncomfortable with, but you say yes anyway, just to avoid feeling like a bad person. Trick number 4, authority power. When someone looks powerful, sounds confident, or holds a title, we stop questioning them. That's authority bias. A suit, a verified badge, a manager title. Suddenly, their words feel more true, even if they're wrong. Example, your boss suggests an idea you disagree with, but instead of speaking up, you stay silent. Not because they're right, but because they're in charge. Trick number 5, scarcity illusion. Only 2 left. Offer ends tonight. Scarcity creates urgency, and urgency kills logic. When something feels limited, your brain panics. You stop thinking and start reacting. Example, you weren't even planning to buy anything, but the moment you see last chance, you click buy now. Later, you regret it, because the decision wasn't yours, it was triggered. Trick number 6, gaslighting. This one is subtle and dangerous. Someone makes you question your own reality, your memory, your feelings, your sanity. That never happened. You're overthinking. You're too sensitive. Over time, you stop trusting yourself and start relying on them to define what's real. Example, you clearly remember a conversation, but they deny it so confidently, you begin to doubt yourself. That's not confusion, that's control. Trick number 7, love bombing. This is the most dangerous one, because it doesn't feel like control. It feels like love. In the beginning, they give you everything: attention, compliments, time, energy. You feel special, chosen, important. But slowly, things change. The attention fades, the warmth disappears, and now you chase it. You try harder, give more, stay longer, because you want that love back. But here's the truth, it was never love, it was a strategy. They gave you a high so they could control your lows. The scary part isn't that these tricks exist, it's that they work best when you don't notice them. But now, you do. So the next time someone pressures you, makes you feel guilty, rushes your decision, or makes you question yourself, pause. Because awareness is your power, and once you see the game, you can stop playing it.